Guys, let's take a look at this card JPY. The card JPY, let's see where the price will actually be moving for the next day. To actually get this analysis better, we would start from the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, the highest time, one of the time frames to actually look at. So I mean, if you are to zoom it out, right? See, I think this was early 2020. We've actually been moving upward. You all can easily see it. Each candlestick represents 1 week, which means price has actually been bullish, right? So I mean, price has actually been going up. This moving average you all can see here is actually 10, which means we are now using the 10 period moving average. So once price is above 10 period moving average, then it is definitely above the 20 moving average. It is above the 50 moving average, even the 200 and so forth. So I mean, 10 period moving average, the fastest one we would love to look at. So I mean, it is above it, which means we are now on a bullish move. So weekly time frame, we are bullish. Now see this price from here. There was an impulse move we had here. We had a correction at this level. So at this movement again, which we had actually broke above this previous highs, which means we are now on the new higher highs. So basically price came down a little bit and we actually roll up again, but price actually failed to break this level. So I want you guys to pay attention to this level properly. So this is it. Price came to this level, we had a drop. It came to that level again, it fails to actually break above it. Then we saw a drop, and now price actually rolled up and broke above it. Now this level that we just talked about, see it, right? Once price has actually broken above the level, as we all know, on an uptrend move, we would see the price come to test that level again, which is exactly what we just gotten on this CADJPY on the weekly time frame. So price has actually gone up, broke above the level, and guess what? We now actually see the price drop to test that level. That is why we actually closed bearish about last week. So basically, on this weekly time frame, once as price has dropped to test the level, we are expecting a continuous bullish move since our CAD JPY is bullish. So now the price has come to test the level it broke out from, we are now expecting a bullish move. Reason why we actually went bullish today. That is one. Now let's roll down to the daily time frame. This is the green candle we all can see here. I think for about last week, for good 4 days, about last week, you can see it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We actually were going red. Price was actually bearish, right? It was today that we actually had that green. Reason is that we can see this level price has reacted to multiple times. 1 year, we saw it 2 year. So price has now come to that level again, tested the level. We are now expecting an impulse movement upward. Daily time frame also says we are now bullish. Reason why we actually closed bullish today, we very much likely close bullish the next day, which is on the 20. And the 4 hour time frame, we would love to place the trade, which is still an indication we are bearish, by the way. So I mean, on this 4 hour time frame, we can see the price rolling down. We can see an impulse move. We add a correction on the 4 hour here. We add another impulse move. This is just like a correction on the 4 hour time frame. But let's see if the price will break above 108.365, or when the price gets to 108.630, then we can actually enter to go long on this CADJPY. So exactly where I am aiming to actually enter long on this CADJPY, which is 108.630. 108.630. So we should be expected to go long if the price gets to that level, because very much like the price can actually roll up to test this pullback level, drop again, actually roll up again, kind of giving us like a ranging market move, right, on this CADJPY, because we can't really predict the price movement, but we know for sure we are going bullish. So basically, let's wait for the price to break above or get to 108.630, then you can go long to take out this highs on CADJPY. So CADJPY, we are still expecting to go bullish, and let's see what the 4 hour time frame says. I think the 4 hour time frame is now on a bullish move, right? See the bull run. There was an impulse move, had a correction at this. then we add this bullish move here, then we add this bear which dropped, and now this movement upward actually broke above this previous higher heights. This was a previous higher heights, this price broke above. Now this recent higher highs price has broken above the previous higher highs. Let's see if a pullback will occur, then you can see a bullish move again on this card JPY.